All right, a few stocks I'm watching for tomorrow. It's going to be a short video because the market's not that exciting right now. Now, normally I like to pride myself on being what's in play, being in, I should say, what's in play. But this JRJC, crazy move today, completely missed it. I'd love to have these videos say, hey, we got this on the first pull, but I didn't see it till it almost looked like this. So there was money to be made today. And hats off to all you guys that were all over this one. It escaped me. I don't know, Monday morning, I don't know what the deal is. But anyway, my list for tomorrow, LITB. This is a thinner one. 500. You see this volume spike, and that still is only 520,000 shares. But you've got a nice long base. This is coming out of the last time it had a pop. It went up to over $7. So maybe we challenge and break through that tomorrow. But it's worth watching. LITB. MOBI, I'm sure you saw this one today. Very nice volume, so I'll be looking for a second day play on that. HIMX, still flagging. I talked about this in last night's video. Hit $8 and change here. Big old cup and handle and still flagging. So if we get through 8 on volume, that one's interesting. WUBA, I don't have any kind of entry price on this one, but you do have, you have a high back here, got a little bit of a lower high right here, and now you're kind of flagging. So this one, and nice volume today. So this one's interesting. It may give a nice pop one of these days, maybe tomorrow, who knows. We'll have it on watch. Doesn't cost me anything to have it on a chart. Fuel cell, pretty handsome daily chart here. Looks like it could just really break one of these days. Not too hard to see right there. I mean, it's just above this area. This one could really rip. So keep your eyes on it. And if you notice, the daily range on this is not very big at all, so it's not much of a day trader, but it still looks like it might break out. NMBL, another thinner one, but it's got a nice support right here below, and looks like it's trying to break out to the upside here. So keep your eyes on NMBL. And then a couple kind of wild cards. USU, I think is worth having on watch after this crazy move a couple days ago. Then very narrow day today, but that's a wild card because it's a crazy stock. But it doesn't cost me anything to have it on a chart, so I'll have it on a chart. And then Loco, man, every time this gaps up, red candle, right? Every time almost lately in the past, I don't know, 7 or 8 sessions. But I still want to watch this one. By the way, today there were a lot of crazy ticks in the middle of the day. So when you see something like this, that was part of that. I was actually out of the office getting a sandwich or something when that happened, but a lot of stocks had that. So, but anyway, why is Loco interesting? Well, for one, it made that huge move after the IPO, but there's its, well, here, let's go back 5 or 6 days. There's its early high. I don't know what that, 6 days ago, whatever. Then the next day, it's early high. These are 15-minute candles. The next day, and then this one hit its early high about, I don't know, 45 minutes in, and then this was today. So you'll notice when I mark the early high, not once in the past, however, what is that, 6 sessions, did this break its early high in the afternoon. Okay, so the first time Loco does that, I want to have it on a chart and I want to be in it because this one can move pretty nicely at times. It's kind of odd that it hasn't done that, but just keep it on a chart and wait for that possibility. It's just a strange looking daily chart at this point, but it doesn't cost me anything to have it on a chart. What have I said that 3 times in this video? So that's my short list, and we'll see if we can't add. I mean, I'll have JRJC on watch, but this is one, whenever I have something like this, this is one I look at and say, well, I didn't get involved today, but I bet you over the next 2 weeks I get several really nice trades in it. So this just, whenever you see something like that, put it on a chart, and there should be several good setups over the next couple weeks. All right, I'm going to quit babbling, and we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a good night.